Okay, problem 2-13, the jumping jackrabbits problem. The diagram at right shows a jackrabbit jumping over a 3-foot high fence. To just clear the fence, the rabbit must start its jump at a point 4 feet from the fence. Sketch the situation and write an equation that models the path. So, if you are using your ebook, there is an e-tool that's helpful. The rabbit is there. Notice you can move it around, and it doesn't change the height of the fence or how far the rabbit jumps, but it makes it so that you can choose where you want the rabbit to start. My suggestion is to always start the rabbit at 0, 0, or whatever it is you're doing. Whenever you're able to start something at 0, 0, it's going to make it easier later. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to sketch this on my paper. So that's over here. This is basically what's happening. The rabbit starts at 0, 0, hits a height of 3, a total distance of 8, so that means this is the point 8, 0. We have our new vertex form of a parabola, and we should be able to figure out what the vertex is. Pause the video and see if you can figure out what that vertex is. So if it goes a total of 8, the middle of that is 4, and then it goes up 3. So now I know my vertex. So I should be able to plug in H and K. Remember, it's always opposite, so it became -4. Then I need to solve for A. The whole point of these problems is finding that A value so you get the exact graph. To solve for A, you have to plug in a different point. You cannot use the vertex. So you're welcome to use 8, 0 if you'd like, but this is why I chose to start it at 0, 0. Let's plug in 0 for X and 0 for Y because zeros are easy to deal with. Remember, you square it and multiply it times A. So that means you're going to have to minus the 3 to the other side. And then divide by 16 to get your A value. Don't be surprised if you get fractions. And it should make sense that I got a negative fraction because this parabola is opening down. Then you can always type it into a graphing calculator to make sure you're right. I have already done that over here. If I graph our equation, you can see that it does hit 0, 0, 4, 3, and the point 8, 0. So it looks like we got it right. So hopefully this helps you with 13, and then it should help you with the rest of them as well. See if you can follow that same process.